Happy Three Kings! Ayan. Huling sulyap ng Christmas decoration year 2025. Let's go, babe. I gonna go around first.
Basically, the only time we got to get my shows, then I have to get my
Wow! Snowman. So, huling sulyap to, guys. Ayan, Ate Femix Vlog. Please subscribe. So, ito yung clubhouse ng aming residence dito sa Capitol, guys. Ito yung clubhouse namin dito. Napakalaki ding building. Huling sulyap mo. Ayan. Pa. Let's go.
Look at the purple Christmas tree.
Yeah, it's a purple. Nice one, right? Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
4.
Yeah.
Let's
So,
go.
this is maganda, guys. Maganda dito. Napakalaki.
Oh, look, Santa Claus.
Yeah.
On top of your head.
Yeah, Santa Claus hanging. Yeah. So, okay, malaga. Let's go. And the stairs still have a
Decoration.
Christmas lights decoration.
I don't know why.
Yeah. I don't know why.
What? Now, what did you like there? Nothing.
This one. Very nice, oh.
Where?
Very nice.
Now, we're very nice. We're very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go back. That's faster. For advice, Mom and Dad might just take why is Meme and
Yeah, we have to go to the other clubhouse. Okay. Let's go. Huling sulyap. This is the last sulyap of Christmas decoration. Right? Happy Three Kings! Nice one.
hey, there's reindeer a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot of reindeer.
There's 6 reindeers. 7, 8, 9. There's
Yeah.
9
Telephone,
reindeer.
Bebel. There's a telephone there. Okay? So, okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, everyone. Nandyan lang yung aming house. We are living in 21st floor. Right. Okay, press, baby.